Welcome. My name is Carl Carvalho. This presentation today is about other ionizer companies, how they market their products, and how they build their machines. Enagic is the gold standard internationally, certified as a medical device in Japan, and used in over 300 Japanese hospitals and 32,000 restaurants globally. Enagic is the only true original equipment manufacturer of water ionizers in the world, with offices around the U.S. and many different countries. Enagic makes every part in their machines, and one technician puts a machine together for world-class quality control. Getting the word out. Enagic does not do any advertising of their products. All marketing is done by independent Enagic distributors who educate you on the benefits and uses of Kangen Water. Our marketing is based on truth, integrity, and facts. Other ionizer companies we see on the internet are not manufacturers. They are resellers or assemblers claiming to be manufacturers. They do their marketing based on deception, trickery, and sometimes outright lies. That is called predator marketing. They spin a tale of deception, then feed on your fear and confusion. Will buyer beware. Warning, there are no internet police. Don't be fooled. There are no independent water ionizer reviews online. You will find them, but they're not independent and they're not unbiased. They're put out there by some of the knockoff companies. Take a look at this picture. The unit on the left is a plate unit from our SD501. You see the bolts running around it? Our units can be opened and cleaned and serviced. The other two there on the right side are from competitors' machines. They are sealed units. They cannot be cleaned. They cannot be serviced. We use solid medical-grade plates versus sprayed-on mesh screens. We use 4 times the metal of any of the competitors on the market. It's titanium dipped in medical-grade platinum. Titanium and platinum are about $2,200 an ounce. 230 watts of continuous power from a transformer versus about 100 watts average SMPS, switch mode power supply. That means it's on and it's off. It's on and it's off. If you run water through it for 5 minutes through an SMPS system, and for half the time there is no power running to the plates, are you really ionizing water? We use electricity only to ionize water versus adding inorganic minerals. Oftentimes the competitors will have 2 filters in their machine. You only need 1. The first one will filter out impurities. The second one is adding minerals to the water. We offer a 5-year manufacturer's warranty versus a lifetime warranty. Well, who offers really a lifetime warranty on an appliance or an electronic piece of equipment? Nobody. Read the fine print. It's often a 1-year warranty of parts and labor, and the lifetime is really only the lifetime of the company. Oftentimes they will go out of business or change their name. We've already seen that happen in the industry several times. You get what you paid for. Now they tend to spin negatives into positives and positives into negatives. They say our transformers are old technology, so they use switch mode power supplies to be energy efficient. Well, that's just not true. SMPS are less stable, respond slowly, and emit dirty electricity. They weigh less too, so it saves the manufacturer shipping cost. Transformers are used on medical equipment because they are reliable, stable, and clean. They use narrow tubing and have flow rate limiters to slow down the water in the machine to a trickle. Their electrical system cannot handle high flow rates of water. They have a thermal shutoff switch that shuts off the machine so it doesn't overheat and burn up. Their weaker mesh screens cannot take too much electricity running through them or they will melt. I've seen machines side by side with our SD501. The water does trickle out of them, and the machine will shut down after about 15 minutes of use because they are overheating. Now the difference is clear. Mesh screen technology for the knockoffs. There is a screen plate before use, and there's a screen plate after a short period of time. If there's no way to take that scaling off that plate, the plate will clog and you're no longer ionizing water. They have sealed units that cannot be cleaned or serviced, and over time those mesh screens will break down. You see that photo on the right? Those particles, those heavy metal particles, where do you think they're going? They're going right into your water system. Now the difference is clear. We use large solid metal plates that are serviceable. We have 3, 5, and 7 plate units. There's a machine for every budget. 3 plates are good. It's $27 a month. It's better than anything on the market. 5 plates are even better, $36 a month. But you can get the best, a 7 plate unit for $44 a month for the black and white, $47 a month for the platinum. We have 4 levels of cleaning the machine. These are some of the reasons Enagic's machines last so long. Number 1, every 15 minutes of use, the machine cleans itself by reversing the polarity on the plates. Number 2, once a month, put in Enagic's patented cleaning cartridge and let it sit overnight. That costs about 80 cents. Once a year, you can send the machine back to Enagic for a deep cleaning. That costs $35. And number 4, after 15 to 20 years, you can send the machine back to Enagic to be rebuilt. That costs about $600. The plate unit will last you your lifetime, but the electronics, the tubing, and so forth, that will have to be replaced. Now, Enagic and Kangen is the only ionizer company in the world with this coveted certification. Actually, we've got 3 of these, the WQA, Gold Seal, NSF, and ANSI certifications. What does that mean? Well, the Water Quality Association is a non-for-profit international trade association representing the residential, commercial, and industrial water treatment industry. The National Sanitation Foundation is an international independent non-for-profit organization that provides development of public health standards and certification that help protect the world's food, water, health, and consumer products. And the American National Standards Institute is the U.S. Standards and Conformity Assessment System that works to assure the safety and health of consumers and the protection of the environment. 3 independent bodies that have certified these machines. You can even check for yourself. If you go to WQA.org, click on Find a Certified Product, and type in Enagic, you will see our certifications there. Type in any of the knockoffs, any of the other companies that may draw your attention, and they will not be there. Enagic is the gold standard. We've got numerous awards and documented recognition. Why ionized water cannot be bottled and sold in stores. The pH water sold in stores is not ionized water. It is not an antioxidant, nor is it super hydrating. For best results, drink Kangen water fresh from your machine every day. Kangen water from the SD501 will hold the beneficial properties for 48 hours. Now here's a competition fact summary. There are no independent water ionizer reviews online. Enagic has the only ionizer that can be cleaned monthly and annually to remove mineral scaling. In less than a year, the knockoffs do not produce ionized water. Everything on the internet is biased. The bias comes from our competitors or companies that sell reverse osmosis systems or distillers. There are no internet police. Anyone can say what they want. The last part of this presentation is a short video shot by one of our global Enagic leaders, Mr. Bob Gradelli. He ran into Beth at the Enagic office in California. She was picking up a brand new platinum machine after trying one of the knockoffs. Let's hear what Beth has to say.
Good morning, Beth.
Good morning.
As you can see, we're here at Enagic, and Beth is picking up her new platinum machine. And share your story with everybody.
Well, Leslie started giving me water about 6 weeks ago for 3 weeks, and we drank it every day, gallons over those 3 weeks period. We had great results. Our aches and pains were going away. We were both, my husband and I, sleeping better. Our kids liked the taste. And so after 3 weeks, we were ready to purchase. We went online. My husband's an engineer, so we researched and figured the competitors were just as good, save a little money. We bought the Ionizer Athena, and we had no results. It didn't taste as good. Everything came back. Our aches and pains, we weren't sleeping. He actually developed Bell's palsy, half his face. And so it was just a disaster. So we sent it back. We had to pay, $300 restocking fee. It wasn't worth it. And Leslie put us back on Kangen a couple weeks ago, and immediately within the day we had good results again. and we were surprised how fast we had the results back.
And here you are buying your platinum.
So here we go, back on for life.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
This concludes today's presentation. Get back with the person who invited you here. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, Enagic is the gold standard. Change your water, change your life.